What's up, guys? So, I know I said I was going to post a different video soon. Well, see this mud? This is how many of you... Here, let me grab a new piece. Beep! What's up, guys? I know I said I wasn't going to do another video yet, but I found something. And also, this is how many of you guys are subscribed. It's not a lot of you guys. Please subscribe. This is how many of you guys aren't subscribed. All over my bike. And then this. Alright, but I said I wasn't gonna do another video, but I did find something. I was riding back to my house and look what I found. If you zoom in, you can see that bird, and now he's looking towards me. And if I just come close to him, he moves. So it's not just a joke. So don't take it as a joke. Hold on. So don't take it as a joke, because it's obviously not a joke. That bird literally moved. So how is something fake if it can move? Ha 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 ha. What? Oh my god. And I just went through a mud puddle. Alright, well, I'll see you guys later. Peace.